Stress management is all about finding ways to cope with life's pressures. It means using different techniques and strategies to keep your stress level under control.
During the hurricane, what has happened? The electricity has been disrupted, sanitation, the communication system. We hear individuals not being able to connect with anyone for extended periods of time. So this put the stress level very high and put individuals at risk for the anxiety disorders and the post-traumatic stress and other mental health.
It's never easy to deal with the aftermath of a hurricane because it disrupts every aspect of life, from daily routines to homes, jobs, and emotional well-being.
After taking care of the basic needs is the self-care and the establishment of stability and individuals getting the support that they need in the weeks and months following the hurricane. So what we're talking about when we say reestablishing a routine, what we're talking about is returning to regular mealtime, sleep schedules, and daily activities, and that we try to get back to so the body does that automatically.
But the psychiatrist says there are healthy ways to manage the stress and begin healing.
Get back to their sleep routine and avoid alcohol and media before they go to rest in their body, reestablishing a routine, eating, getting back to eating healthy meals. And I can't emphasize enough going back to physical activity like walking.
With your health report, I'm Shimala Pullen wishing you good health.